Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a shoulder slide spin. Now obviously you need to know how to do a shoulder slide already, link in the description below, and for those of you who've done a load of other moves already, this is kind of the shoulder slide equivalent of a double man spin, but it's not to be confused with the double shoulder slide, which is another thing entirely. So what does it look like? It goes like this. It's actually slower than the double man spin. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It goes man's left, lady's right. Starts exactly the same as the shoulder slide. We go back. We bring the lady forwards. We come in. We latch the hand on the shoulder. Now, this is where things get a little bit more interesting, because once the lady's onto the shoulder, guys, we're going to flick round, quick spin. So the lady's hand is going to go round, 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 and back onto the shoulders, and then down the arm to the hand. That's going to take a little bit of time, so it's going to slow the lady's transition a little bit, so you don't want to bring the lady in too fast at the start. And then of course it's just, as a normal shoulder slide, return and back. But one word of warning: if you do a shoulder slide and everything is correct, the lady's hand should stay at the height and aspect that you place it. So if it starts on the top, it should exit on the top. If it starts on the outside edge of the shoulder, it should exit from the outside edge of the shoulder, because it changes what grip you get to at the end. If you've got a lady who does that, this move is great. If you've got a lady who you place her hand on the top and it might come off somewhere else, this move can go wrong really, really quickly, because when the guy spins, the lady's hand could end up anywhere. And I've seen all kinds of things go wrong, including ladies with their hands trapped inside the guy's shirt. So you want to know what you're doing when you do this one. So let's think numbers. We go back, 1. We latch, 2. The sliding is happening and the spin, 3. Down to the hand, 4. Returning, 5. And back, 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6. A shoulder slide, spin. We go a back, latch, spin, catch, return and back, and that is that. Not too tricky a move once you've kind of got your technique right. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you find it useful. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. If you did enjoy it, please like the video. If you're finding what we're doing useful, then please subscribe, and if you put the notification bell on, you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.